So I've watched two YouTubers recently who said they've painted on additional supports to improve bed adhesion. And I'm sorry, but that's just not the case. So supports do not improve bed adhesion for the object. Let's try just normal supports, and you'll see that there's lots of support here, but no matter how much support is here, and the support's not even adhere to the bed very well. We have to increase this initial leader expansion. Let's try increasing it to 10 and slicing the plate again. And you'll see that the supports now are adhered to the bed really good, but the object is not designed to adhere to the supports. The supports are just meant to be printed under the 3D print. So really it's only gravity that's connecting them, or it's going to be really hard to take the supports off. So no matter how many supports you add on here, you're not increasing the bed adhesion for the object. What you are doing, and I know it's just a semantic argument, is these supports will prevent the object from tipping over. That's what we're talking about here. So you can pay additional supports to stop the object from tipping over, but it's not to improve bed adhesion.